Today's recipe will be how to create the contemporary nurse. There are a few ingredients that we'll need today. These will be accountability, empathy, time management, being a team player, and perseverance.
Let's get home and start cooking. Hey, one of the first things we're going to talk about is accountability. It's the first of 5 on a list of things that help make a nurse a contemporary nurse today. What does accountability mean to me? Accountability means that someone's going to show up to the job and actually do their job. Not just come and be there, but actually work hard to do the job that they're meant to do. Next, it also means being respectful and respected. Not just going around and just assuming that everyone's just going to accept them, but really working hard and proving that they deserve to be there. And also respecting everyone else around them. When someone has a question, not making them feel silly for asking that question. And last, it's also just being present. It's being mindful of the work that they're doing while they're at work, and also being mindful of the patients that they're taking care of, helping to take care of. Second on our list of what makes a contemporary nurse is empathy. Empathy to me is giving painless apologies when the patient feels like something's going wrong, even though you may know that what's happening is just out of their control and that's what's making them upset. And then next is putting yourself into that person's shoes. Having empathy is when that person's upset, making sure that you can be there and just have a listening ear. And also for your coworkers when they're having a hard day, being empathetic towards them and realizing that not every day is going to be easy for them. Third on our list of things that make a nurse a contemporary nurse is time management. This means getting the tasks done that are on your list within a reasonable time. And that doesn't mean that just like you're able to kind of skim it in before the end of the shift, but it means that at the start of the day, you're able to kind of almost make a time schedule for yourself that allows for you to also be able to take your breaks when needed and to get the task done in a timely manner and not be rushed and be able to think fully through what you need to do that for that day. Fourth on our list is how to be a team player. Being a team player is hugely important in what helps to create a contemporary nurse these days. That means lending a helping hand when you see that your coworker needs help, and really not even without them asking. You just need to be able to realize that someone needs a little assistance, and you offer to pass that medication or to go in and lend a helping hand in turning that patient or getting that patient more comfortable. And also, it's knowing when to ask for help. I feel like, being a team player, people always just assume that, you're just being part of the group, but I really think that it's important to realize when you're in over your head and you need a little extra help, even if it is someone just coming to pass your meds or really saying like, hey, I need to go take a break, and having them step in for a few minutes. Last on our list is perseverance. Perseverance just means really never giving up. Knowing that, during your first few weeks on a new floor, or even just like your first day on your shift, that things are not always going to be easy, but you're going to make it through and you're going to push and you're going to do the best job that you possibly can. And it's always just giving 100%, even though everything might just be going wrong in your day, knowing that you're trying hard, that you're using that nursing gut and really giving your patients everything that you've got. At the end of the day, that's what's important, that you're trying hard, you're being present, and you're doing everything that you possibly can for your patients and to make your floor a better and safer place for everyone that's there.
With this recipe made up of accountability, empathy, time management, being a team player, and perseverance, we have discussed the necessary ingredients to create what I feel encompasses today's contemporary nurse.